And we're back to learning Illustrator in a year, day 56. Once again, another example. This time we want to use the polar grid tool. Left-click drag and then use the arrow keys up and down, left and right. You don't have to use the exact values that I use here, but for the clock you need 12 of these dividers. So these are the radio ones. And then hold shift before you release it. That way you have a perfect circle. Make sure you have a stroke color. I'll make it black and 1 point. This is our starting point, and now we use the ellipse tool, go to the center, left click drag, hold shift and alt, go to the outside, the smart guides will make it snap. This is going to be the outer circle of our clock. Another ellipse, go to the center, hold shift and alt, go to the second outer circle here. So these concentric circles, we want to have the 2 outer ones covered. Now we'll use the line segment tool. Right here, right click where the polar grid tool is. Then left click drag from top to bottom. Once again 1 point, black is our stroke color. I will do that 12 times. And due to the polar grid, they all will have the same size. So that's easy to do. Now we'll add 2 more from the center, and here we have to be correct. So if I go, for example, like this, it's between 1 and 2 o'clock, and it's more than half. So I have to go for the longer one, for the minute line right here, certainly above 6, maybe even above 7. Let me try. Let me zoom in. I wasn't perfect, I believe, in the center. Yeah, let me delete that and I try again. I go to the center and let me go even above 8. And then the hour line should be somewhat correct. Final one, I create a line for the seconds. That can be random. Now select one of these lines of the polar grid tool where you haven't drawn on and just delete it. So press the delete key. We'll select now the outer one and we want to give it a fill. If you give it a white fill, nothing will happen, but stick with me. We're going to do the same for the inner one. Now we get back to the outer one and we give it a black fill. And now you can see where it's going. We don't need the stroke anymore. Let me delete it. And for this, for the line that's supposed to resemble the seconds, I make that orange. Maybe let me add another circle right here. I'll shift and alt when I drag that, and I make it black. And this would be one example how you can use the polar grid tool to create designs, icon designs. And we've only used tools and methods that I've already shown you in this Illustrator playlist. So always try to recreate it, get some practice, and then we're going to start with the next topic in the next video.